Oh, yeah.
Doesn't really seem like it's too hung up on anything, but
No.
if it fights us, I still might have to get behind it and hold on to it.
I don't think so.
Morning, guys. We're on our way to an accident for the Lake Jackson Police Department. Pretty light on details on this one. They just said we're going to over off of Oak Drive, which is like across the street from HEB, in an alleyway by the Buzzy Bee gas station. Not sure what kind of vehicle or what the situation is or anything like that. They didn't fill in too many blanks, so we're gonna have to figure this one as we go along. So we'll be over there here in just a minute. Thanks for watching, guys. It's a little car?
It's a little car.
How do you how do you hit a truck there on an alley?
No. The other way.
Oh no.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Yeah, that's why they're here.
I guess that makes more that makes more sense.
You want to get where the tow truck is and
Let me see what it looks like. I mean, they're not like stuck together or anything, huh? I mean, it's a small enough car. I should be able to just back in here and get it to where you ain't gotta move them around or anything.
destroy the transmission. Or you just pop it in neutral.
Yeah, just put it in neutral. It's going on the flatbed, so.
And she has a request for location.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Can y'all tow it to Kristen Fields?
We can. I don't know if they're open. Might call them and see. Because if it goes where you want it to go, then you have to pay the charges up front.
Okay.
But if it's going to them, might talk to them and see if they can't just write a check or something.
Okay.
See if, and then because if they're going to be going through your insurance or whatever,
Yeah,
or their insurance or whatever. So,
where if not, is this gonna go?
So otherwise, what normally happens, you have insurance, right? Or
It's liability.
okay,
It's
well, I guess it'd be going through theirs.
Right.
Generally, what happens is it goes to our yard,
Okay.
and then through the insurance claim, you say, hey, I want to go to Chris and Phil's, and then
Okay.
the insurance calls us.
Yard will this go to?
It'll be going to our yard in Freeport.
Yard in Freeport.
I can get you a business card and stuff. So
Okay.
Um,
So we'll
so
go
that's-
ahead because they're closed. They're not open.
They're
yet.
not open?
So
Okay.
That's what I'll do. Then I'll have to get it taken care of on Monday because they're closed.
Right.
So, okay. So the
Okay.
Breaker Yard in Freeport.
Freeport. I'll get you a business card
Okay,
before we leave.
I have to get to work.
Yeah. Let me back in here real quick. I'll grab you a card when I hop out.
Okay. Thank you.
Huh? What's up?
Will you go? It's open.
You think it's going to be better for you to pull the vehicle out or for them to move the tow truck forward? I mean,
Really, it's gonna be the same either way.
Okay.
I mean, it's either gonna go straight forward or straight back. Either one.
Okay. I'm going to have them. They've got to go take him to get tested.
Okay. Yeah. If they need to
test him.
if they need to roll out, they can roll out.
Alrighty, man.
That way they're not waiting on us and
Yeah.
nothing. So where's this truck going?
Yeah, I did.
I guess if they want to do that, I'll come in from the front then.
Is that going to be easier for you?
Yeah, that'll probably be
Okay.
I'll come in from that side.
Okay.
Once they get out the way. I'm gonna snap some pictures first.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't really seem like it's too hung up on anything, but
No.
if it fights us, I still might have to get behind it and hold on to it.
I don't think so. We've got it parked. It's not going to.
Yeah. Set the parking brake so it gives it a little extra stay put. Yeah, get air to it. See, he's on this side. I'm gonna step over here. There we go. Had to filled up air. There it goes.
Where?
Perfect.
Looks like,
Cool.
looks like Will with that.
Yeah, right. All right. We ain't got no traffic in the way here. Trucks off the front of the car. They're free to go do what they need to do. I'm gonna back in here. I was thinking about just driving around and backing up to the front end of it, but this one it doesn't really matter. Give her a business card. Before I forget, here's that business card.
Thank you so much.
No
I will
problem.
Get with y'all.
Yes, ma'am. I'd have to switch to my other bridle for this one. Sometimes these have that weird solid axle. Oh, it's got control arms. Lucky on this one.
Give you the keys.
She didn't give me any. I should be able to get it into neutral anyways, so no big deal. Didn't.
First name. Got a person there. I can't get in there.
Yeah, all the doors are.
I might be able to do
Oh, it is, yeah. My little screwdriver out. This steering wheel's locked anyway, so it doesn't matter. Steering wheel's locked anyways. I'm gonna have to drag it anyway. Luckily, it's front wheel drive, and it doesn't. The tires don't roll if they're not spinning. Yeah, no, she seemed fine, so.
This is the vehicle with the big gas tank and half of it's fended on it.
Right. Yeah, that would be it. right. I'm gonna call that good enough to get us out of here. So
what?
I'm gonna call that good enough to get us out of the alleyway, so we ain't blocking traffic no more.
Alright.
So no, nothing for me to sign or anything. No.
Be an inventory, anything. It's just a recto. It's not like
Right. Anything else? Gotcha. All right. Appreciate it. All right. So we're gonna get out of here. We got our 2 straps on it. We're gonna clear the scene so the officer and city workers are free to go on about their mornings. We're gonna pull off in this parking lot over here and strap down this other side real quick and haul this thing to the yard. All right, I'm gonna go finish strapping this thing down. So we're gonna go ahead and end this one here. We'll see whatever comes next. It's Friday, so this is my weekend off. Not too sure what we're gonna get into this weekend. We got some kind of crappy weather right now, so I think it's supposed to rain some more this weekend. Who knows? So yeah, hopefully get us a off-road recovery or two, since I'm also running my company right now also. Hopefully we'll get us a off-road call or something this weekend. So hopefully that's what y'all see in the video after this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.